Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
So you are like a Gudakesha now, right?
Yes, Mammu.
Yes. So we are starting. We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, shlokas 28, 29 and
30.
30. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Kripaya Paraya Vishtaha.
Kripaya Paraya Vishtaha.
Vishidannidamabravit.
Vishidannidamabravit.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Drishtve swajanam Krishna.
Drishtve swajanam Krishna.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Once again. Kripaya paraya vishtaha.
Kripaya paraya vishtaha.
Not avishtaha. Sha. It's not sha. Kripaya paraya vishtaha.
Kripaya paraya vishtaha.
How beautiful. Vishidannidamabravit.
Vishidannidamabravit.
Arjuna uvacha.
Arjuna uvacha.
Drishtve swajanam Krishna.
Drishtve swajanam Krishna.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Yuyutsum samupasthitam.
Now we are going ahead with shloka 29. Sidanti mama gatrani.
Sidanti mama gatrani.
Don't do it as ni. It is ni. Okay, so give a little bit dirgham. That's enough. Actually, there is no dirgha. Sidanti mama gatrani.
Sidanti mama gatrani.
Yeah. Mukhancha parishushya
Mukhancha parishushya
Shushyati.
Shushyati.
Yeah. Mukham plus cha becomes Mukhancha parishushya
Mukhancha parishushya
Vepathuscha sharire me.
Vepathuscha sharire me.
Romaharshascha jayate.
Romaharshascha jayate.
Uttamam. Once again. Sidanti mama gatrani.
Sidanti mama gatrani.
Mukhancha parishushya
Mukhancha parishushya
Vepathuscha sharire me.
Vepathuscha sharire me.
Romaharshascha jayate.
Romaharshascha jayate.
Now 30th shloka. Okay. Where are you? You are here?
Yes, Mammu.
Where is your yes mamu, okay mamu and all that? You are thinking somewhere else. That's why. Okay. Be here. Be Gudakesha. Be Gudakesha. Now 30th one. Gandivam sramsate hastat.
Gandivam sramsate hastat.
Gandivam
Gandivam
sramsate
sramsate
hastat.
hastat.
Tvakchaiva paridahyate.
Tvakchaiva paridahyate.
Na cha shaknomyavasthatum.
Na cha shaknomyavasthatum.
Brahmativa cha me manah.
Brahmativa cha me manah.
Once again. Gandivam sramsate hastat.
गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात्
त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते
त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते
न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुम्
न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुम्
You're laughing, no? When Mammu makes mistake, you are laughing, no? Come. I'll give you tit for tat. You know what tit for tat? Nothing. न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुम्
न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुम्
भ्रमतीव च मे मनः
भ्रमतीव च मे मनः.
Now we are done with 28, 29, 30. Shall we chant together?
Yes, Mamu.
Okay. कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत् अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सुं समुपस्थितम् सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपथुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुम् भ्रमतीव च मे मनः. इनु कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्. Now Arjuna is full of compassion, right?
Yes, Mamu.
He is in depression and he is starting to speak to Krishna. He is saying, Sidanti mama gatrani. My limbs, my hands and legs are weakening, he is saying. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
What is next?
Mukhancha parishushyati.
Mukhancha parishushyati. My mouth is drying up. You know, mukham means generally face, but here mouth. When we get anxiety, our mouth dries up. Mukhancha parishushyati. What is next?
Vepathushta sharire me.
Vepathu. Vepathu is trembling, shivering. You know, my body is shivering. Have you seen shivering anywhere?
Yes, Mamu.
Where?
Shivering means for grandfathers and all, their hands will be shivering.
Their hands will be shivering, no?
Yes, Mamu.
That is an old age problem. Other than that?
For some people, if they are scared, they'll be shivering.
If they are scared, they'll be shivering, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So Arjuna is now shivering. He's saying, my body is shivering. Vepatushcha sharire me. Next.
Romaharshashcha jayate.
Romaharshashcha jayate. My hairs are standing erect. You know, in a way we can say it as goosebumps. See, goosebumps come not just when you are excited. It comes when you are in Vishada also, when you are in tension. Okay? What is next?
Gandivam sramsate hastat.
Gandivam sramsate hastat. Arjuna is saying, my bow, Gandiva, is slipping from my hands. Sramsate hastat. Slipping from my hands. What is next?
Tvakchaiva paridahyate.
Tvakchaiva paridahyate. My skin is burning, you know. My skin is burning. See, what is next? Nacha shaknomi avasthatum. Nacha shaknomi. I'm not able to stand properly. Nacha shaknomi avasthatum. Brahmativa cha
me manaha.
Brahmativa cha me manaha. My mind is spinning. My mind is wandering. You know, already this mind is like a monkey. No? It keeps jumping here and there. One thought here, one thought there. Then you sit for Bhagavad Gita. Then we will be thinking of something else. No? Already mind is a monkey. Now when we are in tension, mind wanders. See, now Arjuna is in a big problem. Arjuna is now in a difficult situation. Arjuna has won many wars. You know that, no? We have already spoken about that.
Yes, Mamu.
And he has killed many people. Okay. In the war. He didn't have a problem then. Now he has a big problem. What is that, Drishtvemam Swajanam Krishna. Swajanam, my relatives, my own people. That is the problem. That is the biggest problem in our life. Mamata. Say, Mamata.
Mamata.
Mamata bandhanayuta narastuti sukhama. Tyagaraja says in one kriti. Mamata, this attachment. Mamata is sense of attachment. Love is different from attachment. That I will teach you later, okay, in later chapters, later episodes. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Now, this attachment, let me tell you one small example. You are watching TV, news, and news is saying that some bomb blast happened in some faraway country, okay, and 50 people got killed. We will be having our food, happily having our tea, and then we watch it, no? There is no effect. Nothing is happening in us.
Yes, Mamu.
If some distant relative of ours is there in that bomb blast who got killed, we will be like worried, no? Oh my goodness, what will happen to that family and all that we think. Now, if some very close relative is there in that bomb blast, what happens? We will be crying, we will be shattered, no? Completely, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, this is attachment. This is attachment. Arjuna is now attached to his relatives, his Pita, Pitamahan, everyone. You know what? He is forgetting that this Achyuta is his only permanent relative. He is your father, he is your mother, he is your brother, sister, he is your friend and everything. I've told you once, who is your friend for ever?
Hanuman.
Hanuman. Keep him with you, okay? All the time. Because you know a big truth. I mean, this Ishvara Tattva is going to help you in your entire life. Everything else will come and go for a short period of time, including your mammu, including your mother, including your grandmother, grandfather, friends. Everyone will come and go. But this Achyuta, imperishable, is going to be with you all the time. Understand that. I'll tell you a small example, okay? Now you are going to your first standard from UKG, no?
Yes, Mamu.
In LKG and UKG, you had your friends together, no?
Yes, Mamu.
I heard last day that you are talking to your grandmother that if my close friend is not with me in first standard, I will not go to first standard. I heard that, okay? Now let me ask you what happened. What did the school teachers do? They shuffled, no? From UKG to first standard, when you are going to first standard, they shuffled the sections, no?
Yes, Mamu.
All of them. Now they are not going to be there. Your close friend is not going to be there with you in first standard. Right?
Yes, Mamu.
See, even this small thing is temporary. See, not permanent. No permanent friends. No permanent things. Everything will come and go. Arjuna is now in problem because of this attachment. If you want to be attached, if you want to get attached, hear this, listen to this big truth, be attached with this imperishable Achyuta. Do namaskarams to him. Do namaskarams. He is going to be with you all the time. He was with you always. He is with you now all the time. He will be with you in future always. So He is the permanent. Rest, everything is temporary. Okay, now that means don't get attached to all these small things. Get attached to Him. He will take care of us. Arjuna is now in Vishada because of this attachment. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So, you are going to be attached with whom in your entire life?
Hanuman.
Hanuman. And one thing you know that, you must understand that Hanuman, Hrishikesha, everything is same at a level, at a certain level. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
He is inside you, He is guiding you, Hrishikesha is inside you. He was there with you, He is there with you, He will be there with you. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Shall we conclude?
Yes, Mamu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Do prayers. Uttama.